Hello YouTubers, computer modders. This is Glenn with another video. I'll show you what we got going on. I am in the process of building my home theater PC, and I'll show you the pieces that we're going to put in it. The case is the thermaltake Armor A30. That just is a crazy sexy case. I fell in love with it the first time I saw it. Fortunately it's all pulled apart and you really can't see it. The motherboard, we're rolling with the Gigabit 880GM UD2H. I decided to roll with the AMD Phenom 2 X6 1075T. We've got for the video card, which a card I had laying around was the 4870, the Cooler Max CUG 950B. I got a really screaming deal on that too, so I just what the heck. And then for my hard drives, I'm rolling with the microcenter SSD 64 gig in RAID 0, and I'll show you guys later how fast these were open box, and I said, well, okay, I'll try it. So I ran them in RAID, and I'm getting just ridiculous read and write speeds on these guys, but I'll show you for 160 bucks. Wow. So the video here is not necessarily product video, but more of a solution of what do I do. I have it currently overclocked to 4.043 gigahertz, and when I was running with the stock cooler, I would get about an hour and then it would go to blue screen. So my solution was I have to go with a aftermarket cooler, something a little bit better. So I got on Amazon. I used, where you are, Genie 2S Cooler Master, the lower profile. I thought maybe would help me out, and so yeah. So I'm right here, and this is what we're going to do. I'm going to run Prime 95, and if I can get this to work, Prime 95. I'm sorry for the poor video. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Now watch it go to blue screen. When I said earlier it would take about an hour in the case. Let me get a little closer here. I apologize for the video and the cord in the way. This will go to blue screen in about 3 minutes. I should probably just not waste our time doing this, because who wants to sit here and watch this? Well, I know I wouldn't. My solution was, because it was a 120 millimeter fan, I thought that would work, but unfortunately I don't think I had enough room putting this particular setup underneath that case and having enough airflow. So what I did was got this Scythe 12 millimeter fan, and it would hopefully give me a little bit more room underneath the power supply. So what we'll do is, once this goes to blue screen, I've already lost a core, it looks like, and I'm pretty confident that this will go to blue screen pretty soon. If I can't get temps down reasonable enough to keep that 4 gigahertz overclock, I might consider going to water cooling. And you guys know with my last videos, I kind of appreciate water cooling. Oh, while we're waiting this to go to blue screen, I took out my Blu-ray ROM and burner out of Sparrow's Killer 2 rig that I did, and put it in my home theater PC. So yeah, well, we're waiting. It's got to be any minute now. It's got to be any minute. And I'm thinking this. I should probably not do this with my homemade built test bench. I don't know if you can get in there and see this. I'm going to try to. I put a fan underneath the on the bottom. I should probably turn that off, because that would not give me an accurate, reading. It's actually lasting longer with the fan on the bottom than it did before I had it turned on. So I might just turn that off. Let's try that. Let's unplug it. Okay. If I can do this with one hand. I'm going to set you down. Hold on. We're going to set you down. Oh. Well, I set you down and unplugged it. It went to blue screen. I don't think I'm going to have much luck with the thinner fan at all. So I'm going to pause it and I'm going to install that fan and see if we get better temps. I doubt it though. Hold on. Okay, so we just installed the Scythe fan, the 12mm one, and we're getting out of blue screens. We just booted it again, and you know, if I can't get my thermals down to something that was respectable, I might just end up going to water cooling. But we'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll see what happens. So come on, baby, post. Post. There you go. Yeah. Okay. We will check for the Windows recovery later. And you know what? While we do this, well, no, I'll do that later. Let's try running Prime 95 again. Okay, and we'll hit OK. Okay, I really don't think that's going to help at all. I really wanted a thinner fan, but we'll see. Yeah, look, I've already got a core that failed. Now, you know, I'm really leaning towards that stock cooler. It seemed to do a little bit better job. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, there you go. If I do some more updates with this, with the water cooling, I'll post another video. I appreciate everyone watching. Please post, comment, give me some suggestions on maybe some ideas that I could do better. And I will catch you guys on the flip side. Later, Gator.